All right, I got some strips cut, very thin, very thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7. And then I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of weaves in this cutting board for my cousin Missy. Got 3 kinds of wood here, Missy. Walnut, curly maple, walnut, curly maple, oak, curly maple, walnut, curly maple, oak, curly walnut, curly maple, walnut. Hope you like it. Thinking about putting some handles on it like this, round. I seen one there. It'll look beautiful. It'll look beautiful when I'm done. If you don't like it, that's okay. I'll build you another one. I got lots of wood. And I was over here working. This was going to be yours, but I wasn't happy with it, so I stopped that one. This was going to be yours also. Here, let me show you. I thought this was going to be yours. Look, I got puzzle pieces. Puzzles. I gotta do a puzzle. I thought I'd try it this way. But if I do some more cuts, this way, that way, I can salvage that. But yeah, I think this is more you because you're elegant.